Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about therein.com. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Everything in this video is based on research and publicly available information. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Well, links in the description. So, according to their official website, Dazen offers flexible access to global sports content with plans to suit occasional and hardcore fans alike, which sounds promising, but Trustpilot tells a different story. With a 1.9 star rating from over 6,000 reviews, user feedback paints a frustrating picture. Streaming issues, subscription traps, unexpected price hikes, and poor customer support. While some content may stream smoothly, the user experience seems inconsistent at best and misleading at worst. For the final verdict, Does N is a legit platform in a sense that it delivers actual sports content, but its subscription model, billing practices, and customer service leave a lot to be desired. If you sign up, read the fine print carefully and manage your expectations. There are better rated sports streaming services with clearer terms and smoother support. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.